Hello my beauties, you're welcome back to my channel. The process of homemade coconut oil is ridiculously simple, especially the boiling method. It takes quite a long time to extract the oil. I'll be using 1 coconut. Let's see the amount of oil we will get. You crack open your coconut into pieces. You can use the water for your smoothie if you want. You extract the coconut meat from the shelf. You want to be careful with your knife to avoid accidents. The next step, you either pieces the coconut meat and blend, or you make use of your local grater like mine. I prefer this method because I get enough oil from it, grating my coconut myself. The next step is to pour the grated coconut into a big bowl. You pour in a hot water and let it stay for 5 minutes. Then you can filter it and let the water be enough so that there is a space for the milk to float on top. The next step is for you to leave this filtered milk to stay for at least 12 hours. You can cover it if you want. After 12 hours, you use a sifter to remove the milk on top into a non-stick fry pan. After you're done taking all the milk, you take it to fire and place it on a low heat. The coconut milk will begin to boil and form oil. You boil it for 7 minutes. By now, it turns brown. You turn your coconut oil into a stainless plate and let it cool. Then you can put your coconut oil into your desired container. You can store it in your fridge to form a paste if you want. Wow, use! We got 50 ml of coconut oil from 1 coconut. Try this method and let me know in the comment section the amount of oil you got from your coconut. And remember to please subscribe, share this video to your friends and loved ones, and remember to give this video a huge thumbs up. Hello my beauties, you're welcome.